HAD Minister lays foundation stone to developmental works under Dhansari constituency. EM Raju Tiso inspects site for Phongberi Cooperative lamps. Meritorious HSLC students felicitated by Pranab Ananda Vidya Mandir in Jenkha. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The battle against coronavirus in Assam is likely to stretch more, as the daily increase in COVID-19 cases in the state has reached to 5,006 at the time this report was filed. On Saturday, another 136 patients were discharged from several civil, district and model hospitals across the state. With this, the tally of discharged patients has reached to 3,202, which is more than the number of active cases, which stands at 1,792. No further reports of deaths have come from the state in the last few days. Meanwhile, in India, the total number of COVID-19 positive patients have crossed 4 lakh mark, and the number of deaths have also risen to 13,030. On the other hand, the number of recovered persons stood at 2,16,667. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Carrying forward developmental works in the district, Assam HAD and Mines and Mineral Minister Sumronghang on Saturday laid foundation stone of 2 new projects at Dikrong under Dhansari MSC constituency on his first visit to the place after he won the elections. The first new scheme is the 3.6 km long black-topping road from NH36 to Dikrong Adivasi village, sanctioned under SOPDG for the year 2019 to 2020 Diphu LAC. And the second scheme is an open stage at Upper Dikrong, which is being sanctioned under the MLAD Fund 2018 to 2019. The program was also attended by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council PNRD Board Chairman Kangjang Terang, BJP State Councillor Rupali Terangpi, and former Karbi Anglong BJP Vice President Lawrence Teron, and several party workers and local residents.
The development scheme hai hui ta dekhoning lo. The toar PWD SOPD state SOPD atangka pen. Kutipli pray Kutipli atangka amang so toar 3.6 km. So length atau pokara stada pangceng ponye pana kimi black topping akam pangceng ponye pansi telitong pinilong isomponilo.
People began settlement in this area way back in the 1957. However, residents have for so long been deprived of proper road and other developmental facilities. Thus, these new schemes taken up by the minister has been lauded by the local people and have strengthened their belief in the BJP slogan of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikash. Bijay Rangpi reporting from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Korkanthi MSC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso had on Saturday visited Phongberi to inspect the site for the proposed Phongberi Cooperative Lamps Limited and set up an ad hoc committee to carry ahead the works. As per the commitment of EM Raju Tiso to set up area lamps in Phongberi, an ad hoc committee was formed appointing Rostom Bey as secretary and Rajan Kiling as the chairman. In addition to this, a total of 15 members were appointed for the smooth functioning of the committee. The newly formed committee will work for 6 months, after which an AGM will be held to select new members as per government procedure.
Nili lalem ke long aku thake lahalo dani tum Phongberi ka habar komento din pene ninkan koi bakta dolo ta pachun theke sanon ye me ka haila penderat ka chitu pena jok man lem long lo la puni tum Phongberi ka rat living ki damna tum sanon da ke bakhat pen ason marketing pen kopima tata itum tinggi pon pupasi ning selo
to hejong rong sa pero lali nge alamat penanganan ingkan dulu lems so awal kan lems nai so kya terus dulu terus tame labang so ki chunu bakke mona sarkar under the CMC ko under the CMC program ya juga mau CMC so sarkar pada garal ko pili ka wara ra ko ma so lamps ke nang ji bo bang ya ni na ke si tinggal ni mak ke si
Among the persons who were present at the meeting include Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso, SO Firu Singh T, Biju Tiso, VDC Chairman Khogan Tiso, BJP Karyakartas, SGB, village headmen and several villagers. Samsung Inti from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Led by EM Lonsing Teron, a meeting was held at Dongmukak to discuss various developmental works on the beautification of Dongmukak Town Mission undertaken to develop the beautify the town. The meeting was held on Friday at the office of Mahamaya BJP Mandal Committee. Serious and productive discussions took place regarding the leveling of several low-lying spots in the town. Decisions were also taken to expand the town and market area, expansion of road and shifting of roadside fruit vendors to permanent shops and shifting of the temple near the road.
Beautification of Dongmukak town. So planning pen, a mission pen, mathasi pini dam Dongmukak town committee a chairman, ward commissioner na pen, BDC chairman na pen, that locally jitu arada pen itu team bailo, de la so scheme bangke kala house pen mata na contoh na proyek no da bangke la beautification iklam na pen itu tak tahu dah ke don no, kala so house pen report na pen, lalu pini planning macam.
Along with EM Lonsing Teron, the meeting was attended by Dongmukak Municipal Board Chairman Biren Singh and several ward commissioners. VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi, Mondal BJP President Purna Inti, Secretary Babu Tiso and several other party members. Samsung Inti reporting from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. The Hamran Karbi Students Association and group of local conscious women have objected the engagement of workers from outside the district in the construction of West Karbi Anglong ADC quarter at Hamran Housing Board. Let's know the reason from our correspondent's report. Hamran Housing Board is a residential area where people of all age groups live. At a time when there is fear and sensation prevailing in the district due to the spread of COVID-19, local people are not feeling it safe with the presence of outsiders in their area. The workers were brought for the construction of boundary wall around the ADC quarter. Locals allege that no medical checkup has been done on them, and as such there is huge risk in allowing them to work in times of the ongoing health crisis around the globe.
ঘটনা দেখিলোঁ ঘটনা এটো হল কি আমাৰ এই ৰেসিডেন্সিয়েল এৰিয়াত কাম কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে বাহিৰৰ পৰা কিছুমান মানুহ লৈ আহিছিল ইয়াত কন্ট্ৰাক্টৰে তাৰ কাৰণে আমি অলপ বাধা দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছো বাধা এইটো কাৰণে দিছো কাৰণ এইটো এটা ৰেসিডেন্সিয়েল এৰিয়া ইয়াতে ঘৰবিলাক বহুত ওচৰ আছে লৰা চলি আছে ইয়াতে আমাৰ লৰা চলি খেলে তে বাহিৰৰ পৰা অহা মানে আমি চিনি নাপাওঁ তেওঁলোকে কি বেমাৰৰ কিবা বিজাণু লৈ আহিছে নে সুস্থ অৱস্থাত আহিছে itu তেওঁলোকে টেষ্টটো কৰা নাই
mangke dak ni kumpudung lo dak lo kela punta istio do isin kandung lo istio bang dak klaim dia punta dulu het istio kene sakane klaim thek dulu.
The Karbi Student Association has urged upon the authority to make proper arrangement to remove fear and insecurity from the mind of public before any work is carried out at this time. As per their request, the concerned officials have agreed to do medical tests of all the workers before resuming the construction. Daniel Inghi reporting from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live. Pranavananda Vidya Mandir in Jengkhau, West Karbi Anglong had on Friday organized a felicitation program of meritorious HSLC students. The program, chaired by the institute's principal Maharaj Chesong Terang, was also attended by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Mongol Singh Timung as the chief guest of the event. A total number of 39 meritorious students were felicitated in the event. Amongst them, 10 students secured first division, 15 bagged second division, and 13 got third division. While delivering his speech, EM Mongol Singh Timung said that education is the light of the world. Without it, darkness prevails in every step one takes. He also encouraged the students by urging them to toil harder to get better results and to achieve success in life. Meanwhile, the EM also assured all help for the smooth functioning of the school. Hamran VDC Chairman Sar Singh Thangcho, BJP Hamran Mandal Committee President Biren Singh Tiso, SMC President Japan Tiso, along with school teachers and several students attended in the program. Sarjip Inti report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.